Hello Wesley and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana. Today I want to share with you three things that you can do immediately to boost the traffic to your website. So right now I am looking at yours. I see that you have the contact us form here. You can actually make this one a click to call button, make it easier for anyone that is navigating using a mobile to reach out to you. You have links to the different services that you provide. You have some videos here which are quite engaging, and you have again a contact us form here. Anything that you have in here is the content and it's what Google actually crawls to find your website. So the way the pictures are saved is important because what you really want is, for example, this one says image 38, but what you want is to have them saved with a keyword or a buyer intent keyword, which is what people search for when they want to buy a product or a service, because all of that can be read by Google. Now let's look at the amount of content. Right now you have 416 words in this website. If I have a look at your competitors, so Window World, they have around 738 words, and Glasswrite, they have 320 words. So although they have a little, the last one, they have a little bit less than you, it is important to actually thinking about including more content so that Google can see that you are outranking your competitors, but more and more relevant content. So include more keywords or the keywords that people search for when they want to buy products or services so that Google can find you. And that's exactly what I did here. Actually type in Google search window replacement Albuquerque. And the first section that we're going to see here is the Google Ads. And Google Ads are good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. And also, on the flip side, some people actually can turn them off in their browser, so they just skip them altogether. And I can see that you are here at the top. Now, the second section is the Google Business Profile. This Google Business Profile is driving 40% of the traffic, so it's important to rank at the top. And to rank at the top, you need three things. You need um, pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed on a directory, such as Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, and those details need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify you and can rank you at the top. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search. And to rank at the top, you need first to be found by Google through that content, but also have backlinks. And to analyze that, we have a tool called Ahrefs that shows me the back end of the website. And I can see here that you have one backlink in one referring domain. That is one link in one external site directing traffic to your site. If I have a look at your competitors, so Window World, they have 724 backlinks in 120 referring domains. And Glasswrite, they have a little bit more, 2,530 in 416 referring domains. So the message here is that you actually need to work on this backlink building so that your website can get more trust and more power with Google. And you want to have those links sitting in websites that are relevant to your niche and to your industry because Google can verify that and can give you extra credit and extra points for that. Now, the other section that I wanted to share with you, right now, you're not being ranked for any organic keyword. But if I look at your competitors, so Window World, they are being ranked for 237 keywords, and I actually filter here those that are buyer intent keywords. So for example, this view is showing me those keywords that this website is being ranked for. The search volume is the number of times this keyword was searched for per month. And this position column is showing me in which position this website is appearing for that particular keyword. So in this case, replacement windows Albuquerque has a search volume of 60. They are in number one position. Window companies Albuquerque uh, search volume 100 and they are in position number one. Let's have a look at your other competitors. So Glasswrite, they are being ranked for 4,000 words. And I highlighted this one, window replacement Albuquerque. They search volume is 350 searches per month and they're in position number one. And why it is important to target keywords that have a higher search volume is because Google is gonna find you for those keywords, and then it means that your website is gonna be in front of more potential customers more often. Some of those potential customers are gonna click on the link that is gonna take them to your website, and then another percentage is gonna reach out to you. And then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert those into customers. And as a result, increase your revenue and grow your business. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. I wanted to just recap, you need more relevant content in your website. You need to increase the ranking on the Google Business Profile, and you need to start building those backlinks to rank at the top of your Google Organic Search. If you like what you saw in this video, please feel free to go ahead and use it on your own, implement it on your own. The only thing I ask in return is for some feedback. I really want to know if these videos are providing value to business owners. And my contact details are at the bottom of this email. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.